Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Brandon Davis. I'm the founder of the Rags to Riches community. I am highly unqualified to give you any advice about anything. I barely graduated high school. Do not like or comment on any of my videos, and please do not subscribe. Let's get to it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. My name is Brandon Davis. If you are new to this channel, I want to give you a quick reminder that your feelings are not valid. And I also want to remind you that I once threw a junior-size football over the Appalachian Mountains. Now that we've gotten the important things out of the way, let's get to it. You're here for a reason. You're here because you saw a thumbnail. You're here because you saw something about an airdrop. You're here because you saw the SHIB logo. You are here for a variety of reasons. You are curious. So we're going to talk about why you are here. Let's talk about Shiba Inu real quick, and this will be short, all right? Shiba Inu. If you guys noticed, SHIB went absolutely nuclear. If we can outline how nuclear SHIB went, it increased and appreciated in price by about 70 million percent, almost 71 million percent. What is SHIB? The Shib Army. Riding the meme coin train, Shiba Inu was seen as an alternative way to make massive gains in a flooded market of meme coins. Everybody knows about Dogecoin. Everybody heard about that. Shiba is marketed as a decentralized, grassroots, community-based movement. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain. The white papers paint a beautiful picture of altruism and philanthropy. We have a lot of people that own SHIB. Let me ask you guys a question. Why did you invest in SHIB? And before we answer that question, let's figure out who invested in SHIB. According to the statistics that are available to me, most of you are between the ages of 25 and 45 years old. 98% of you are male. You are from one of the following countries: the USA, Australia, UK, New Zealand, Singapore, or Turkey. A vast majority of you make a middle-class income or lower. You work at restaurants, you're students, you are carpenters, you're small business owners, plumbers, mechanics. You work at low to mid-level IT jobs. You're music producers. But here's what's for sure. You are unsure of your future. That is why you invested in Shiba. You don't love your job necessarily. You might not hate it, but you don't love it. You're emotionally drained. You don't like your boss. You're tired of being in debt. You're tired of not having control over your time to do the things that you want to do. You heard about Shiba from a friend or an influencer. You bought SHIB because you're looking for a way out. For most of you, by the time you heard about it, it was too late. Many of you bought the top. Many of you have already sold at a loss. Not once, not twice, many times. You get in, you get out, you try to catch a little scalp here, a little scalp there. Many of you listen to YouTubers feed you dreams of glory, but you just can't seem to make the money that is promised. You invested in SHIB to change your circumstance. Am I correct on that? Comment below. If I hit any one of those for you, just comment below. What if you could take your SHIB and with a couple clicks of your mouse, double your SHIB? I'm going to say that again. What if you could take the SHIB that you're holding right now and just with a couple clicks of your mouse, you could double it Double my SHIB for free? Yes, double your SHIB for free. Is it too good to be true? Do the influencers you follow, have they said anything about this? Your friend from college who's a self-proclaimed crypto master doesn't even know about this? Are there other projects right now that are about to launch that you could get into on day one? 1,000x, 10,000x? Am I the YouTuber that promises you dreams of glory? Let's talk about Pulse Chain. Pulse Chain is a fork of Ethereum. They took a copy of Ethereum's code, massively improved it, and they're creating their own branch called Pulse Chain. This copy will include all of the balances that are held in your MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network. Or, might I add, any wallet that you hold the keys to. No centralized exchanges. This means if you have 1 million SHIB currently, you will have 1 million P-SHIB on the Pulse network. P-SHIB stands for SHIB that lives on the Pulse network. This goes for any other ERC20 as well. This goes for NFTs as well. Oh yeah, the average transaction fee initially will be under 50 cents. If you guys know anything about Ethereum gas fees right now, you will understand that gas fees are absolutely out of control. Absolutely out of control. How nice would it be able to be able to mint an NFT or be able to do a transaction for literally 1,000% less than what you're paying now? Would that be a nice thing? Probably would. Pulse Chain was created by Richard Hart. He is the founder of Hex, a crypto that did 10,000x in 640 days. That means 100 US dollars would yield 1 million. He is adding to the ecosystem by introducing Pulse Chain and the world's largest airdrop ever. Well, how can it be the world's largest airdrop ever? It's because every single ERC20 token that you hold in your MetaMask wallet or wallet that you own the keys to will be duplicated and transmitted to the Pulse network. On top of that, did your gurus, did your people tell you that he's also launching Pulse Swap? That might not be the name at launch, but it's a decentralized exchange that you can get in very soon. Very, very soon. Why is that important? Let's think about this. You have the ability to be in on these projects on day one, but you gotta act quickly, okay? Do everything you can possibly do to learn about Pulse Chain, to learn about the ecosystem, to learn about Hex. Watch my videos, watch other people's videos on the topic, click the links in the description. The price for entry is knowledge, and Pulse Chain will be launching in the next couple months. Tell your friends, tell your gurus, tell your influencers. The real opportunity is quite literally in front of you right now. This video, you can choose to go learn or do what you always do and get in too late or not do anything at all. When is the best time to get into a crypto project? When does it yield the highest ROI? On day one. This project is not just some run-of-the-mill project, okay? It's not launching with a community of 500 people in the deep, dark recesses of Telegram. If you go to the Pulse Chain Telegram right now, we are inching up on 60,000 people. I'm going to repeat that. 60,000 people. There was a sacrifice phase for Pulse Chain. You know how many addresses launched with Ethereum at the inception of Ethereum? About 8,000 to 9,000 addresses on the Ethereum network. Do you know how many addresses are going to launch initially just with the sacrifice phase where people bought into Pulse early? Do you know how many? 64,000 addresses. 64,000 addresses. I totally expect people in the comments to associate Pulse Chain with Richard Hart and Hex, and you're going to hear a lot of FUD. they are quite literally all wrong. This is your opportunity. If you want to hash it out with me, we can stream about it. But right now, this can be the opportunity of your lifetime, and I am not mincing my words. Best of luck. In 3 years, come back to this video and thank me. Brandon out.